Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can summarize any YouTube video using ChatGPT. So it's very easy. So for that we need to install a Google Chrome extension. So let's go on Google and here search for Glass, and this is the official site for the extension. And here you can see two options. This is for Windows user and this is for Apple user. As I am a Windows user, so I am going to install this. So now let's click on add to Chrome. Now it will automatically add it to your Chrome, and it's adding. Okay, the extension is installed. So now I'm going to pin the extension. Okay, so now it's showing here. Now let's go back the YouTube. Now let's refresh. Now you can summarize any YouTube video. So let's summarize this video. So after install the Glass extension, so here you can see a new option which is called transcript and summarize, and here you can see ChatGPT. So when you click on this, then it will open a new tab and it will automatically summarize whole video, and it will perfectly summarize. So this is how you can very easily summarize any YouTube video using ChatGPT. So for that you need only install a Google Chrome extension which is called Glass. So thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.